Wild salmon face a difficult journey to reach the places they breed. They need to swim upriver from the sea to their spawning grounds. But man-made structures like dams and weirs are enormous obstacles. If we remove these structures once they're no longer needed, or build rock ramps and fish passes, salmon can navigate Scotland's rivers and their populations can flourish. Nature networks expand habitats and link them together so that wildlife can move from one area to another. Together, we can save Scotland's endangered landscape and wildlife by creating and restoring nature networks. But there's still a lot to be done. You can help. Find out how at scotlink.org.